Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning. I have not done a cleaning video in quite some time and I got a new steam mop, so I kind of wanted to try it out and show you guys. So this is my current kitchen slash dining room right now. The quarantine has really, made everything quite messy. I haven't seen my dining room table in months, so I'm going to go ahead and go through and try to clean that up. So I wanted to show you guys kind of a before. So the first thing I'm going to start with is removing all of the chairs because like I said, I'm going to try that steam mop and I just want to have the floors completely empty. And I'm going to try to find my dining room table here. So the kids have been doing their homeschooling at this table and it's just, yeah, I didn't really see a point in clearing it off since they were doing crafts and schoolwork and this and that. So I figured it had been long enough. So now I am going to go ahead and try to clear it. So I do have my robot vacuum going in the back right now, just clearing the floors. I will end up using my Dyson later anyways, because sometimes that vacuum doesn't get everything. But yeah, like I said, I'm just kind of organizing and decluttering right now. Now I'm going to go in and do a little dusting. I like to use my Method Daily Wood Cleaner, and I just use this kind of on any wood surfaces in my house. And we're just going to go ahead and clean up this little buffet. I found the dining room table. It's clear. So now we are going to go ahead and clean that dining room table too. I'm going to use that same method. And I get all my products from Grove Collaborative. If you guys have never heard of them, you need to go check them out. They have all the products on their website, like more natural products, Mrs. Meyer's, the Method. I love the Method. And I have a link down below. I think you can get like a free 5-piece set. I haven't used that link in a really long time, but if you guys are interested in that website, that will be in the description box if you guys want to go check that out. But I really do like their products and I love that they're all in one place and you can just kind of order them and get everything all in one spot. And next I'm moving over to our little coffee bar. This little area accumulates so much junk, I swear. Kid stuff, my stuff, husband stuff, like anything. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this and then I'm going to wipe everything down, and I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's radish scent spray. And you will notice that I had to switch it out later on in the video because the nozzle broke. So I'm going to have to get another one of those. But I love the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. They have a lot of fun scents, and yeah, this one is the radish and it smells really good. It's nice and fresh. Now we're moving on to the island and the other counters. The island always accumulates a lot of stuff too, so I'm just going to go ahead and declutter that, and then I'm just going to wipe everything down with that same Mrs. Meyer stuff. And then when we get to the other side, you will see that my nozzle breaks, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to use after that. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the stainless steel appliances in our kitchen, and I like to use the Method stainless steel cleaner. And I had kind of like not the best experience with this stuff at first. I don't know what it was, but I didn't love it at first, but now it's my favorite product to use on the stainless steel. So I also get that from Grove too, but I don't know why I didn't care for it at first. I don't know if it left streaks or what, but for some reason I love it now. And yep, this is where the nozzle broke, and I don't even know if I can fix it, so I need to get on Grove and order some more stuff. But I actually have some of this Aunt Fanny's vinegar cleaner. I use this quite a bit. I don't know why I didn't use it in the first place, but I'm going to go ahead and get that out and use that. And that is also on Grove too. It's just a nice vinegar cleaner. And like I said, a lot of these products are more natural. So if you don't like all the chemicals in that, these are a better way to go. And now moving on to the sink, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it down with this Aunt Fanny's cleaner. And I'm going to go ahead and clean. I've got like a little brush / sponge holder right there that I'm going to go ahead and clean as well. That thing gets so nasty. And it's really cool because it like completely comes apart and you can take everything out and clean it. And I want to say that is from Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below for you guys too. So I'm just taking one of these brushes. This brush is actually from IKEA. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean out the sink and then put everything back in place. Anybody else have to get up on top of their counters to clean? I love these huge counters, but they're kind of a pain in the butt to clean because it's impossible for me to reach when I'm not up on top of the counter. So now I'm just wiping down the farthest spots, like closest to the window, and just getting the whole entire counter cleaned up. And now that everything is clean, I'm going to go ahead and take my cordless Dyson and just kind of get around the edges of the floor where the robot vacuum missed. And then we are going to get to steam mopping. I'm so excited to try this thing. I've wanted one for forever, and I'm so excited to finally try one. Okay, so this is what the steam mop looks like. It is the brand Aper, I think. It's on Amazon. It just says floor cleaner, tile cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, and you can even use it on carpet, which I'm not exactly sure how that works out. I want to try it, but yeah, it comes with these little pads. You get 2 of them, and it came with a little cup to fill, so I just filled that little guy with water because obviously you need water to use to make it steam. And I really liked how long the cord was. It really, I plugged it in and I was able to get my whole entire kitchen with just having it plugged in one spot. So I thought that was really nice. And you just put the little pad on. It's like Velcro, I believe. And then after 20 seconds, it's pretty much heated up. And then as soon as you move the mop, like the handle down, that's when it starts steaming. So I just went really slowly across the floors, and it worked really well. Like, I was kind of shocked that like just water was cleaning my floors, but the steam really disinfected and didn't have to use any chemicals or anything. So I really like this. I wish I would have had this when my little ones were crawling and on the floor all the time, because I don't know, I just feel like it seems a lot safer. I can't remember exactly how much this one was. I want to say it was around $69. But I will find a link for you guys and put that in the description box if you guys are interested in trying out one of these. I'm definitely a fan. I really, really liked it. And stay tuned till the very end because I show you guys what the pad looks like. And let me just say, I did not think that my floors were that dirty. I mop them pretty regularly, so I was pretty shocked at how much dirt was on the bottom of this pad. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a little motivation, and dun dun dun, this is how dirty my floors were. I cannot believe that. Like, I didn't think they were that dirty. But I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos. And we'll see you all soon. Bye.